Suzy.
Hello, Joe.
We're back.
We're back. It's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday. It's time for us.
It is.
I also am enjoying. Oh, do you like? Oh, you like my little whale?
I
Isn't
do.
that cool? It's part of my power color I wore.
My heart.
I do like your heart. Very nice. Very nice. Very
I
nice.
come here with art every week.
Those are better than my whale, which I
Yeah,
pointed
they're
to.
not better. They're just different.
Okay. Did you know that Sean designed this?
No.
Yeah, he did a long time ago in a previous life. He actually designed this shirt
I like
and the whale. There's a whale, there's a hula girl, a beer bottle, a bear.
Okay.
Yeah, they're all like embroidered patches and they're super cool. Anyway, so today,
Yes.
last week we talked about you can connect your WordPress website to Power Apps.
Yes, we
We
did.
talked about that last week. And so we kind of left it very hazy of like, okay, so you talk about this Power Apps thing. What is that?
Uh-huh.
So Power Apps is two things in the Microsoft world. One
Okay.
is it's like a big giant cloud system that you can use. And they give you, it used to be, Power Apps used to be a customer management system. And it was just called CRM. Right?
Okay. I remember that.
Yes, and so what they did is they broke it that away so that you can use Power Apps to kind of make whatever you want. So you could make your own system, you could use it for just some basic stuff. You could turn it into, like if you wanted a system to track widgets, you could use Power Apps as your widget manufacturing empire.
Uh-huh.
And you could use it for that once you build it out. And then there's a second form of Power Apps that I use, and it's called the Canvas app. And what that is you're actually building an app that would be used on your phone
Awesome.
or used on your tablet or even used on the computer. And I'll show you that in a minute too.
Okay.
So a project that we're actually rolling out today
Okay.
is a Power App that is designed to track recycling pickups.
Ooh.
So all around the county, they go around and where you have the battery drop-offs, the bulb
Right.
drop-offs, the CFL drop-off, all those places, well, someone is going to pick up those containers and everything, and they have to track, quantities, weights,
Right.
etc. So instead of the paper and pencil and clipboard thing,
Or even the Excel spreadsheet.
yes, the dreaded Excel spreadsheet, you can do it in a Power App. And I'm going to show
Awesome.
you exactly what we did.
Let's
in the
see it.
Power App. So we're sharing on our big TV because we have a guest. So we're not just staring at the wall now while we're talking. Like
Okay.
we're looking at the TV so
We're
everybody
letting our
knows.
guests.
We're letting our guests feel at home and see everything that we're doing.
Okay.
So what this is Power Apps. And this is basically essentially a giant database in the cloud.
Okay.
Is what it is. That's hosted by Microsoft. So what this is we have made this menu of options that they can use. So they can track all of their organizations and contacts they work with. They can track events that go on every year that they need to, people have to do work or there's things that have to be handled, whatever. The locations is every location in the county
Wow.
to pick up to where they have a pickup.
Mhm.
And then the pickups and the problems are the actual, like the data that's being collected.
Right.
So on the back end, this is what it looks like. The user gets a nice dashboard of here's the activity going on for like the last quarter, and you can actually pick all of this. There's no data for this quarter, so that's why we went back to last quarter.
Uh-huh.
You get these nice, just easy dashboards that you can see some trends and data analysis, just something really quick to
Uh-huh.
take a look at of
Okay.
what's going on with the activity. But then you can actually dig in. You can actually dig in to, here's all the pending pickups that when they go around the county,
Uh-huh.
here's all the pickups that have to happen.
Wow.
And so when you open up one of the pickups, it's just a very simple set of fields.
Uh-huh.
But the magic in this is so this is only what they use like in the office,
Okay.
right? So the other magic of Power Apps is what's called the Canvas app. This is the Canvas app. So this
Okay.
is the app that the guy that is going to go and around the county, he has his little tablet, his little like 8-inch tablet with this running on it. And
Okay.
so this app reads the data straight from the Power Apps
Oh
data,
my.
like in real time too.
Yes, I got
So
it.
so you see this list started. You can see that here's like the pickup list. So here's the first one. It's Beverly Shores, JCMA, Beverly Shores Post Office, blah, blah. We keep going down the list here. This list matches exactly, but it's in a nice like app view.
Okay.
They have little features where, okay, I don't know where the post office is. Here's a map. Here's a phone number to call, and it'll call straight from the phone or the tablet if it has a phone plan on it. And then all they have to do to dig in, they can dig in right from here.
Oh my.
And you fill in the fields. So these fields fill in, 4 foot, but so these are the items they collect at every
Okay.
pickup. So he fills it in, he gives it a rating, hits the little check mark, he's done.
Woo!
That-
On his phone,
On his phone or tablet. And then this data gets fed back in.
so that
To
it's
here.
back in your office.
Yes. And
Awesome.
and then the other thing that it can do, and I'll show you from a completed one. So this, when they take a picture, so in the app, there's this little camera button right here, right? And you can tap that and it'll bring up the camera on the device. And you can take a picture. And usually they have a problem with like contamination. Like
Right.
somebody left like, garbage outside. Or like, I think one was grass clippings one time. They left at one of the compost sites and they don't take the grass there. So they take a picture. That picture gets attached. That picture.
So you can actually see.
Correct. And then the person who's responsible for dealing with the problems gets notified immediately that, hey, we just reported a problem, so someone's going to have to like do this. But you've noticed now that like he's out in the field and he may be gone the whole day. Somebody already knows that there's a problem in the office during the
Right.
day and can actually take action on it like
Do something.
now. So and then the data's getting collected,
And then presumably, once it is done and dealt with, you can take a picture of that too.
Yes, you can go back and have it where it's dealt with and it's done, but then you also have all the history within the system here. So everything is kept within the system forever. And
This is amazing.
yeah, and this is just basically taking the base Power Apps and then like there is no such thing in Power Apps called recycling. Like we've made that for
Yes, I got that.
and so like events, locations, pickups, problems, like that is nowhere to be found anywhere.
You have to think about it.
You have to think
and
about-
create your own.
Correct. And so that is what we've done for the county. It's this.
You go, Joe.
And then they also get these nice reports too. So you can report on all your data too in these nice. They can go to Excel, they can go to PDF, and they're available forever because the data stays forever.
This is amazing.
Yeah, you can't do that with an Excel spreadsheet.
No,
You can't do that with an Excel
no,
spreadsheet.
you can't get it all to work together so that you can have it wherever you are.
That's
whenever
correct.
you
That is correct. And the other nice thing about this Power App, the part
Yes.
that's like the office staff are going to use, this is also fully usable on any mobile device. It just is in a condensed format,
Yes,
but you can use it on your phone, you can use it on your tablet,
and it all goes back there.
it all goes back to the same place. And you can do all your work on it. So like the director could actually be doing everything on her phone. If she's out for the day, she sees everything on her phone if she needs to.
Can't keep any secrets.
That's right. That's right. So that is a real world example of Power Apps.
I'm so glad we did this
Me too.
to make it real.
Yes, this is a real world example of using Power Apps. That is like this. Now this is an add-on to your Microsoft.
I got it.
subscription. Yeah.
Yes.
So this is, but
So your Microsoft subscription is $6. a
$6
month.
starting.
And then what's this?
So the Power Apps base license is $5 a month per user that needs it. That's it. It's $5.
Okay,
Yeah, that's it.
that's awesome.
That's amazing that you can do this too.
It
I'm
is.
still blown away by this because we're writing these Power Apps for so many different applications. It's incredible.
That's
This is just the tip of the iceberg.
You go.
Thanks, Susie. That gets a high five.
Oh.
There. So I will. Yeah, we'll just do it from here. I'm Joseph Markovich from JCMA,
I'm Susie Vance.
and
See you next Tuesday.
see you next Tuesday. And I'm very happy that our guest didn't take over the presentation
Our guest.
or lunge the table, like lunge over the table.
Well, she's getting ready
Okay.
to lunge you. You better watch out, Joe. She's gonna eat you alive.
And we will see you, Susie, next Tuesday.
Awesome.
Awesome.